Hey guys, so today I want to talk to you about the Eclipse Radiance Gel. This is an awesome product from GelMoment that I think is a little bit underrated. It doesn't get talked about enough. So I've already used this on this hand, and what it does is it's an exfoliator. So I don't know if you can see that, but that is all dead skin and nasty. So I'll show you how it works. So you're just going to twist the cap and that opens it. And you don't need very much. And you're going to rub it in a circular motion. See how it starts to pull up all that dead skin? This is going to get the dirt and oil out of your pores. I love using this on my hands especially, but also my feet in the summertime. It pairs really well with the foot file buffer. Okay, now, I don't know if you can tell it all, but it's gotten quite a bit up. And I do use this about once a week, so I have noticed that I don't get as much off as I did the first couple times just because I'm using it regularly. But the first time I used it was really gross. I'm just gonna rinse it off with warm water. Then dry your hands. And look, they're more radiant and smooth and shiny. Love this product. Let me know if you have questions about it or want to learn more. And we'll talk to you next time.